Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and let's talk about intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, or fasting on a regular basis, can be, for many people, a core way to improve health, including optimizing the cardiovascular system, improving organ health, improving your circadian rhythm, lowering blood pressure, all sorts of great benefits from regular fasting. There are multiple ways to go about intermittent fasting. One is to only eat for 8 hours of the day and not eat for another 16 hours of the day. And our bodies are designed, obviously, to eat while we are awake and to not eat while we are sleeping. But with lights and all of the modern day benefits, it can often be easy to throw off our natural eating rhythm. So if you just eat for 8 hours a day, say 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 11 to 7, something like that, that can work really well for some bodies. Another way to intermittent fast is to not eat for 1 or 2 days out of every week. And another way to intermittent fast is to have 3 or 4 or 5 day fast on a seasonal basis. I find that it depends on your body type. A hair tissue mineral analysis can be a great way to determine what kind of fasting is best for you. And we're happy to support you in an optimal fasting program. Intermittent fasting can be great to help you determine what kinds of foods your body isn't tolerating well. So, for instance, when you do a 16-8 fast, you are not putting, ideally, any kind of solids into your body. That doesn't mean you wouldn't be putting water into your body or other nutritious liquids like bone broth soup or celery juice, for instance. So I do recommend that you, when you're intermittently fasting, you drink nutritious liquids as frequently as your body desires. And by cutting out these different foods, when you add them back in, especially if you do something like the 5 days of eating, 2 days off, or the seasonal 3 to 4 to 5 days of not eating, and then eating, when you add foods back in slowly, one at a time. For instance, gluten, you eat that for a few days in a row and you don't add back other potentially offending foods like dairy or alcohol, then you can see, oh, how do I feel from eating that food? I do think that the seasonal fast are very helpful for many people, and we do have a whole protocol written up in my book 10 Days to Optimal Health about the seasonal fasting that is full of also great ideas about the nutritious liquids that you can partake in while you're fasting. And also, when you are fasting, it can often be helpful to take binding agents like psyllium and bentonite, also vitamin C, chlorophyll, agents that help you bind toxins as you are shedding those from not eating. VE Iron's Vitrotux Kit is a great resource for those who are fasting because it has all the products that I mentioned, the bentonite, the psyllium, the vitamin C, the chlorophyll, all in one kit that can be used in any way you want. It's designed as a 7-day fast, but you can utilize it for your intermittent fasting, you can use it for your 5 days eating, 2 days fasting, and you can use it for shorter or longer seasonal fast. If you need more support with your intermittent fasting, do reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com, 608-242-0200. There's also an intake form on our website that you can fill out with an online calendar attached, so you can have one-to-one coaching for your intermittent fasting process. Thank you very much.